Are you fascinated by the prospect of making money online? Well, you're in the right place. Here we are on the precipice of a digital revolution, where the internet has become the global marketplace. Today, we're diving into 5 practical steps to help you navigate this vast ocean of opportunity. Step 1. Offer a service. This is the crux of entrepreneurship, answering the question, what can you do that people would pay for? Are you a skilled writer, a talented graphic designer, or maybe a social media whiz? These skills and many others are in high demand. With platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can connect with clients from all over the globe, right from the comfort of your home. The key takeaway here is to leverage your skills and offer them as services. Step 2. Sell products online. This could be physical products, digital products, or even both. You could start an online store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. Or if you're a creative, you could sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or music. Remember, the internet has made it possible to reach customers anywhere, anytime. Step 3. Monetize your content. If you love sharing your thoughts, ideas, or expertise, you can monetize it. Start a blog, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. With consistency and quality content, you can attract an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or donations. The key here is to create content that resonates with people, and the money will follow. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Websites like Amazon or ClickBank have affiliate programs that you can join. The trick is to promote products that align with your content or your audience's interests. Finally, step 5, invest in digital assets. This could be stocks, cryptocurrencies, or even online real estate like domain names. Just like in the physical world, investing requires knowledge, patience, and a bit of risk-taking, but the returns can be substantial. So there you have it, 5 steps to making money online. Offering a service, selling products, monetizing your content, affiliate marketing, and investing in digital assets. Each of these steps presents an opportunity, but remember, success doesn't come overnight. It requires determination, consistency, and the willingness to learn and adapt. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of online entrepreneurship? The digital economy awaits you.